Welcome to Registration 101. This video will cover what classes you need to take and how to figure out what classes you want to take while you're in high school. First, what do you need to take? Graduation requirements include 4 credits of English, 4 credits of math, 4 credits of history, 3 credits of science, and 1 credit of health and PE. So everyone has to take Math 1, 2, and 3, and then the 4th math can be that of your choice. History requirements will depend on what year you are graduating. You can speak with your counselor about those if you have questions. Science requirements typically are earth and environmental science, biology, and either physical science or chemistry. If you're planning to attend a 4-year college, you will need 2 levels of foreign language, the same foreign language. However, that is not a requirement to graduate from high school. 26 total credits are required to graduate with Harnett County Schools. Next, what do you want to take? Well, that's really up to you. So do you want to take just regular core classes, or do you want to take honors or AP level classes? Do you want to take CCP classes, which are your college classes? And what electives should you take? We'll go over those in the next few slides. First, it's very important. Everyone has to sign up for 8 total classes. That includes your core classes and electives. Plus, everyone has to list at least 4 alternates. Alternates are second choice electives in case your first choices are full. So the only students who don't have to list 8 choices and 4 alternates are rising seniors who are wanting to do early grad. As a suggestion, if you typically make an 85 as your final average in any subject area, then you may want to consider taking honors or AP level courses for that subject. So most classes have an honors level, and some classes even have AP level available. That includes our CTE classes, which are the career and technical education courses. So what counts as an elective? What extra core classes count as electives? CCP count as electives. CTE classes count as electives. ROTC, band, art, chorus, and theater arts all count as electives. So basically, any class that is not listed as a graduation requirement is considered an elective. So there's no problem in getting those. AP courses that we typically offer at Western are listed here. Biology, environmental, calculus, AB and BC, statistics, U.S. history, English language, English literature, European history. And in the last few years, we've also added psychology, world history, human geography, art history, computer science principles, U.S. government and politics, chemistry, physics 1, algebra-based, and 2D art and design. So you can see we have a lot of AP course offerings, and if you want to know more about those, you can check out the link on the student registration tab of our website. We have some student testimonials all about AP classes and why you should take those. We also have some additional course offerings through NCVPS, which is the North Carolina Virtual Public High School. So what are CCP classes? Well, CCP stands for Career and College Promise. So these are college classes that can be taken either online or on site at Central Carolina Community College campus. Mainly juniors and seniors qualify to take these classes. Most of the college transfer classes are online. However, the hands-on classes such as cosmetology, nail tech, nurse aid, and early childhood education are taught on the CCCC campus. So students must have their own transportation for classes that are taken there. Juniors can take 1 period of CCP per semester, and seniors can take 2 periods of CCP per semester. It is recommended that a student have at least a 2.9 GPA to take CCP courses. So taking 4 CCP courses currently and earning a grade of a C or better can qualify you for the CCP Promise Program. The Promise Program is currently being offered, and that is where you could receive 2 years of free tuition at CCCC after high school. That would qualify for the college transfer program or for a 2-year degree. Again, you would need a grade of C or better in at least 4 college classes while you're in high school. So students have to actually complete an application to sign up for the CCP classes, and they would do that with our CCP advisor and would speak to him about specifics of the program. So AP versus CCP classes. Well, there's benefits to both. AP classes are nationally recognized through collegeboard.org. You will have to take the AP exam at the end of the course in order to be eligible to earn college credit. Four-year colleges like to see AP courses when seniors are applying to college. You're going to be competing against a lot of people when you're applying to a four-year college, so AP courses look really good on your transcript, okay? However, CCP courses look really great too, and they are a great way to earn college credit. So CCP classes are recognized by the UNC system, but are not necessarily recognized by all colleges and universities throughout the state and nation. So if you're interested in attending a college, either a private college or a college out of state, you would need to check with that college to see if the CCP class would transfer course for course through them. As I mentioned before, taking 4 CCP courses while in high school can qualify you for the CC Promise program, and both AP classes and CCP classes add extra weight to your GPA, and both of them also look really great on college applications and on your transcript. Here's a quick little video covering our elective offerings.
Good job, Lexi.
The next two slides will just present some CTE course offerings that we offer here at Western. You can learn more about these classes in the online course guide, which gives a brief description of each of the classes. Core construction is required before you can take carpentry and electrical trades, and principles of business and finance is required before taking business management and financial planning. Also, on these two slides, the stars designate that course to make you a CTE completer, and you must be 16 years old to take firefighting, and you must be a senior to take EMT. Applications are required for fire and EMT, and you would need to contact our career development coordinator to apply for that program. Flex and Early Grad are available to rising seniors if you meet the credit requirement. You would need to check with your counselor to see if you're eligible for that, and your parent will have to come and assign a permission form giving you permission to do that. If you still have questions after watching this video, just contact your counselor. We are a quick email away. Also, for the online course guide, you would just need to go to the Western Harnett High School webpage, click on the School Counseling tab, and then the Student Registration tab at the top. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let your counselor know.